Do you like realistic fiction with lots of illustrations? Stories about families, or being the new kid and having to make new friends? Or what about stories where the characters bake cakes? When Jing Wen moves to Australia, leaving family and friends behind in China, he feels like an alien from outer space. Customs are weird, he doesn't speak the language, and he has no clue how to get around town. On top of all that, he has to watch his bratty little brother Yang Hao. It is incredibly annoying that Yang Hao is fitting in so easily. Learning English and making friends comes so naturally to the little pest. In order to feel a little more at home and lessen the loneliness of losing his father, Jing Wen cracks open his dad's cookbook and tries to make every single cake. Find out how the baking adventures go? Pick up a copy of Pie in the Sky by Remy Lai at your local library, or check out the ebook via Libby.